Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language on a Roblox account. So you can see this is Roblox account. So what you need to do, you need to click here the right hand side on your screen. It's called the settings option. Then click here the settings. Then scroll, you can see my settings, scroll down. Then you can see the option language, so it's English into by default. Then you can change any language you want. So there is some long language. Okay, for example I'm just going to so this one, while I can say while some experiment is selected language, it's only fully supported by roblox.com. So it's not fully supported, you need to check which language supported. Okay, and then you can change. So I just give the English here, so it's supported, you can check and you can change the language this way. So okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.